Primeiru-ministru klarifika para jornalista internasional sira katak adezaun basean laos atu hetan benefício econômico, maibe hakarak atu mundu rona mos Timor-Leste lian.
Iha margem ASEAN, jornalista internacional atu sira resin, participa em conferência de imprensa nebe halau o primeiro-ministro Kairala Sanana Gusmao. E a ocasião jornalista internacional russo chefe governo intenção Timor-Leste nian hakarak de ASEAN. E a resposta, Sanana Gusmao clarifica katak, Timor-Leste hakarak cola parte da organização regional tamba razão rua. Primeiro, tamba geograficamente, Timor-Leste localiza o Sudeste Asiático, no segundo, tamba hakarak mundu rona mos Timor-Leste lian.
To be part of ASEAN, it was not to get benefits. Benefits in terms of economically, in terms of everything. It was not more in terms of benefits, but in terms of the reality. We are part of ASEAN. We are not far away from the ASEAN geography. That is why we thought we could be a member. But looking all of these years, looking at ourselves, looking at ASEAN as a region, as a community of nations, we thought that if we join ASEAN in many international issues, our voice can be heard. Alone, people will say, who are you? We are a small island state, forget it. But joining ASEAN, our voice will be heard through this big community of nations.
Chefe governo mos reencata com a adezaun irane, Timor-Leste bela aprende a nação membro ciracelo, onde desenvolve an.
If we produce 1 kilo of rice, Indonesia, Malaysia, Cambodia and others will produce 50 tons of rice. If we produce 1 kilo of something, the other will produce. That is why it is not to get benefits. It is to have the door open to us to learn and to be self-sufficient, because we cannot just think that coming to join ASEAN we will get all the benefits. No. First, we have to learn more. We have to build the capability of the young people, of the farmers, and to at least what we do, it is for ourselves.
ASEAN yatina irane, jornalista Rihun Barihun maka presente e a Centro Convenção Kuala Lumpur, onde halo cobertura para evento irane. E a domingo vai hira formalmente saiu na membro pleno ASEAN, jornalista sirane Halibur e a Media Center, foi felicitação para Timor-Leste, li jornalista nacional, no ministro de comunicação malaysianian, halo mos visita para jornalista Timor-Leste, nebe halau cobertura para ASEAN, equipa cobertura GMN.